Look at you grow, little one. You've grown so big and strong.
These are perfectly peeled. Move ahead.
Separate the waste, keep it clean.
Separate the waste. These are perfectly peeled. Move ahead.
Separate the waste. Keep it clean.
Separate the waste.
Place them correctly for peeling. Ensure clean separation, no waste.
Move the peels to the waistline.
Keep the separation clean and fast.
Collect all peels in this section.
Prepare them for disposal or reuse.
Feed the machine continuously.
Collect the juice carefully.
Juice quality looks perfect.
Juice quality looks perfect.
Maintain steady pressure in the system.
Mixing complete, ready for next step.
Check consistency before transfer. Start the mixing cycle.
Maintain uniform consistency.
Run the lab test now.
Check purity and quality levels.
Batch approved. Quality is perfect.
Reject any below standard samples.
Start the filling line.
Ensure every bottle is filled perfectly.
Start the filling line.
Ensure every bottle is filled perfectly.
Pack them carefully, no leakage. Align all bottles properly.
Start the filling line.
Ensure every bottle is filled perfectly.
Seal every box properly. Stack them for shipment. Apply labels perfectly.
Check alignment on every bottle.
Apply labels perfectly.
Check alignment on every bottle.
Make sure the Moraba label is centered. Check every bottle for perfect branding.
Labels are perfect, send them forward.
Reject any bottle with unclear Moraba text. Scan every label carefully.
Check for perfect Moraba print.
Approved bottles move forward.
Remove any faulty labels immediately.
Load the boxes carefully.
Fill the truck in sequence.
Stack them properly, no gaps. Truck is almost full, keep moving.
Stack them properly. Secure every layer.
Truck is ready for dispatch.
This watermelon juice looks so fresh.
Yes, it's 100% pure and premium.
I'll take 3 bottles of this juice.
Great choice. It's freshly made.